Yeah.
This is my stepdad, Barry. He cooks with his charcoal a lot. We're making bread today.
Bacon.
Bacon bread. He used that to get his charcoal going. He's checking the...
Still got 5 or 6 minutes left.
So Barry, show him how he turn
I
it.
will pull out with a,
He turns it to keep the heat even.
Yeah.
How many bricks you got on top, Barry?
17, 18.
And then how many underneath?
so good, doesn't it?
You want to thump it?
Done.
Good.
Is that how you told yours? Thump it.
But you turn the lid to keep the heat even.
Every 15 minutes.
Yep.
Then you
He's-
turn this too.
Because there's bricks underneath. So how many bricks you put on top and the bottom, and what?
17 on top, 8 on the bottom.
And then it gets you what temperature for how long?
350 for 45 minutes.
And that's all the charcoal lasts, so
Yeah.
you don't usually overcook it that way.
If it's a little cool outside,
Yeah.
maybe 1 or 2 more bricks.
And he starts them, like I said, he starts them in
You
that
might not have to cook it as long either
in
If
that
the wind's blowing,
because it's
a little more heat.
not cold today.
Yep.
Right.
So that's what else you cook in that thing, Barry? In your
Anything.
cook.
Anything you can cook at home on a stove.
We've done a pie in here.
Pies,
Yeah.
We've done pot pies in here. I did chicken
Mac and
pot
cheese.
pies
mac and
one-
cheese,
one
anything.
He's got little risers to keep it a certain height.
time. Yeah, we did fried cabbage.
Fried cabbage.
And you put a pie plate on the bottom so it don't stick to the...
You keep it off the bottom. That way it doesn't.
A pie plate with 3 stones underneath.
Oh yeah, gotta show them that. Oh,
See the
there's 3
stones?
little stones under there to keep it off the pie plate, off the hot bottom of the pan.
This was my pie pan I've been looking for, and I didn't realize he was using it. And
Got steaks and potatoes on the fire. And bread. Thanks for watching.